Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Congratulations to all aspirants who have qualified Karnataka TET by seeing the answer key you must have calculated, right? We have got so many success stories and so many gratitude messages with the marks from many of you, and there are hundreds of thank you messages which we could not even gather, but we made sure that we respond to each and everyone. We have tried our best, but if we have not responded to anyone, please don't mind, because the WhatsApp, the YouTube and Telegram was flooded with messages, and we have tried our best to answer you all. Now after your TET, as you have qualified, now what is your next step? So many aspirants were requesting us to tell about the next step. Actually, if you have qualified TET or if you have not qualified TET, I would advise you all to write the upcoming CTET first. Okay, so aspirants who have not qualified are very few, but still it is better that you write CTET also. If you have qualified Karnataka TET, then also you write CTET, because it will help you with the recruitment exams in the central basis. Okay, like KVS, NVS, CMRS, all that are there, right? So CTET will help you for that. Karnataka TET will help you in getting eligible to write Gpstr and CRIS. Now CRIS is little bit tough exam, but Gpstr is comparatively easy exam. So that's why we are advising TET qualified aspirants to prepare for Gpstr, for CTET and for Hstr. Hstr is high school teacher recruitment. Okay, but in this video we will be talking about the Gpstr, graduate primary school teacher recruitment. So in this video we will be discussing about how many marks will be there, how many papers will be there, what will be the exam pattern of this Gpstr, either it is objective or descriptive, and what is the eligibility criteria. Before starting to discuss about Gpstr, I want to mention one good experience of me related to Gpstr. Actually, in 2022, Gpstr exam was conducted, and you know about what the education minister always keeps telling about the 13,000 teacher recruitments which he had done, right? So that he is talking about the Gpstr 2022 exam, which was conducted during the time of the previous government, and now present government had actually done the procedures and completed the recruitment. That is how it actually happened. Now in 2022, we had taken many free classes for Gpstr, and nearly, as of our knowledge, at least 50 to 60 aspirants got job in Gpstr, both in maths and science background. I am telling separately. Okay, so we had got many success stories even in 2022 from Gpstr aspirants, and so many gratitude messages. Like the same we got for Karnataka TET 2025. No, like that response only was there. We had made many videos also to cherish their memories. If you explore our YouTube channel, you will get those videos. They are one of the old videos in our YouTube channel. Okay, now let us start with the discussing about Gpstr. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now, and also share this video among all your friends who have qualified Karnataka TET and who are writing CTET also. Okay. What is Gpstr? I know that few of you may not be knowing the full form of this Gpstr also, and a few of you may be knowing everything about Gpstr, or few of you may be those aspirants who have written Gpstr 2022. Anyway, keeping everyone in our mind, let us discuss everything in detail about Gpstr. To start with, Gpstr is a graduate primary school teacher recruitment. Now let's get into details of this examination, like how many marks will be there for this examination question paper, means total marks. It will be a 400 marks question paper. Okay, it will be a entrance exam for 400 marks. Then how many papers will be there in this examination? 3 papers will be there in this examination: paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. So paper 1 has nothing to do with the qualifying thing, but paper 2 minimum 45% marks you should score, so that you will be considered for selection in the merit list. And paper 3, that is also a qualification paper. It is a Kaddaya paper, you can say, the language proficiency test or language competency test. It will be for Kannada. Basically, it is a Kaddaya Kannada paper. And aspirants who are having first language Urdu, I mean Urdu medium aspirants, will have a language proficiency test as a Urdu. Okay, so Kannada or Urdu will be your language proficiency test. That is your paper 3. And you should score at least 50% marks. Then only you will be eligible for further correction of paper 2 and paper 1. Okay, clear, right? Whether this exam is objective or descriptive type. To know this, we need to understand the exam pattern in detail. So this is the exam pattern. As I already told you, 3 papers will be there: paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. In paper 1, you will have total 150 questions. They will be only MCQ questions, that is objective type questions, and each question will carry 1 mark. So 150 questions, 150 marks. This is your paper 1. Paper 2 will be both objective type and descriptive type, means MCQs questions will be there. First 50 questions will be MCQs. Then next for 100 marks you will have descriptive questions. Okay. So first 50 questions of 1 marks each. Next descriptive part will be of 100 marks. Okay. In that you will have 2 mark questions, 3 mark questions and 4 mark questions. Okay. And the time duration for paper 1 was 2.5 hours. For paper 2 they will give you 3 hours to write this exam. Okay. And paper 3 will be our Kaddaya Kannada or descriptive paper. It will be of 100 marks and 2 hours time will be given. Okay. Now let's talk in detail about what will be there in paper 1. So paper 1, as I already told you, it is only MCQs paper, and you will have questions from topics like Common Kannada, English grammar, GK. In that specifically they tell current affairs. Okay. So all this is based on Gpstr 2022 exam pattern. Okay. So based on Gpstr 2022 exam pattern, I am discussing all this. Okay, in this session. So when the new notification comes, maybe there will be very slight alterations in this. So whatever alterations will be there, at that time we can discuss again. But for our preparation, we need to have some plot in our mind that what type of exam will be there, right? So on that discussion we can have it as a plot in our mind from the Gpstr 2022 information. Okay. Then in paper 1, we will have mental aptitude, educational psychology evaluation with the teaching method, and value and health education. And also we will have a computer literacy based questions. Okay. So all this will be included in paper 1. Total 150 questions will be there. 1 question for 1 mark each. Okay. And no negative marking at all. No need to worry. No negative marking in Gpstr exam. Okay. So this was about paper 1. Now let's talk about paper 2, which is a very important paper for any Gpstr aspirant, because it is a subject specific paper. Okay. Because all our subscribers and aspirants who follow our classes, the paid course aspirants, all of them are from science background only. That's why we are keeping subject specific for science aspirants only. But for rough information, the subject specific thing can be for social sciences also. Okay. Here you will have two type of subjects. I mean to say two type of question papers for two different type of aspirants. One will be for PM method aspirants. The other one will be for CB method aspirants. Okay. PM method means aspirants who have done physics and maths in their BSc and B.Ed, and CB means aspirants who have done chemistry and biology. So here in Gpstr specifically for PM method aspirants, they call them as a mathematics science teacher. For CB method aspirants, they call them as a biological science teacher. Okay. So whatever the name is, it is roughly you have to remember that if you are a PM method aspirant, then you are eligible to write exam for a mathematics science teacher. Okay. Your question paper will be different from the biology science teacher question paper. Okay. Now what is the difference means? In PM method question paper, more of mathematics will be there. Means many questions and many tougher questions when compared to CB method question paper will be there in PM method question paper. Okay. So more of mathematics, more tougher questions in PM method question paper. Whereas in CB method question paper or for biology science teacher question paper, more of science will be there. Maths will be there, but comparatively with the PM method, it will be very less, and also those questions which are asked will be easier when compared to mathematics science teacher question paper. Okay, now it is clear, right? And of course, as I already told you, paper 2, at least 45% you should get in this paper, or else you will not be considered in the merit list after the result. Okay. Then third paper is the language proficiency test or Kaddaya Kannada or competency test. So Kannada or Urdu. So here you should score at least 50% because it is a qualifying paper. If you did not score 50% in this paper, then your other two papers will not be evaluated or it will not be considered in the merit list. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for this examination? So, eligibility criteria, first I will tell you who is eligible to write the exam. If you have done BSc, B.Ed and if you have cleared CTET or Karnataka TET, then you are eligible to write this exam. Okay. Then after the exam, how are the candidates selected? Here the Gpstr competitive exam will be there. No. In that 50% marks they will take. Then from your Karnataka TET or CTET they will take 20% marks. Then from your graduation they will take 20% marks. And from your B.Ed result they will take 10% marks. So all this will be considered and then you will be shortlisted for merit list. Okay. So all this is very important. Now let's talk about our Gpstr paid course. You will get the link of that document wherein list of classes and fee structure and everything is written. So that link you will get below this video or in the comment section. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can please mail us at atahar@gmail.com, or if you are interested, you can write to us in WhatsApp, or we have a Telegram channel and Telegram group. The link will be given below this video. So I really hope that the information which I gave in this session helped you with the Gpstr exam pattern. Still, what type of doubts you have regarding Gpstr, if you let me know in the comment section or in the Telegram group, I will try to make videos and clear your doubts.